I have a fire pit and I want to put logs right beside it, and I need a little holder instead of just letting them lay on the ground. And that's exactly what this thing is. Number one, it looks small, but we'll see what it looks like when I cut it out of the package. So let me pull it out and see and get it laid out here, and we'll see what we got with this thing. Okay, I pulled it all out of the package here and laid it out, and you can see the parts that came with it. It was very nicely packaged and it looks very premium. It's got a pretty easy set of instructions. You know, everything's labeled on here, A, 2 pieces. I went over, made sure I had everything, and I did. And then looking over it, all you do is screw these pieces together first, and then you're going to take these center pieces and screw them together, and you see how it comes off. Kind of looks like a little, you know, Roman carriage or something. And what that is, the logs are going to go down inside the pieces, and once the logs, you'll put split or whole logs down inside there, and it should hold them. Let me go ahead, start putting it together. You get a little bag of hardware here. You know, I don't know if I got all the hardware, but I'm sure I do. I've had things from this company before, and it's been very high quality. So let me go ahead and put this together. Then I'll come back and tell you guys how hard it was or how easy it was, because these instructions make it look pretty easy. So yeah, let's get to it now. Okay, there it is. Let me just kind of like go over what this thing was. This was very, very simple to install, everybody. I mean, to assemble. And let me just kind of like show you what I did. So number one, you're going to take these two like hook pieces right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 there. You've got a center piece. You're going to line those up. Then you're going to put these little legs on, which are these right here. The bolts right here are threaded. So what they've done, they've tapped this. So that was very simple to build all of this. You're going to build each side. Then it's just lining up these bars right here and putting the cap nuts on there. All of it was done easily with this supplied tool. Very simple. You could make it maybe a little faster with a ratchet, but you know what? I did this in maybe 10 minutes max. It kind of did. I did it exactly the way the instructions showed right here, and was very, very impressed on how easily they made this assemble. So let me take it over to the fire pit, put some wood in it, and let's see what it looks like when it's full of logs or wood or whatever. So let's do that now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just moved it over here to the fire pit. You can see how I have the fire pit set up. Now I have the little wood holder, and I've already loaded that down with enough wood to last a few days, and that's exactly what I want. I have a large wood holder on the side of my building over there that holds all this, but who wants to walk back and forth? So this right here will stay right here, and then I'm just gonna, like, when I need wood, I just grab a stick and throw it on there. But check out on how it holds up. And I don't know what the total weight on this thing. I bet it'd hold 200 or 300 pounds. And one thing I did find out, you need to make a wider, you need to make sure when you cut your wood, I cut it small so that way it can fit my other, like, my wood holder over there. But this one, you want to have it kind of cut. It looks to be around about maybe 2.5 feet. I would go probably 3 feet to be on the safe side of this thing, but it looks awesome. This thing looks very premium. You'd have this in your house, or you'd, like me, you could have it outside. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the little wood holder for my fire pit. See y'all in the next video.